If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker each year, listen closely. Whether it's cramps at night, stiffness in the morning, or trouble going upstairs, the truth is, your body is quietly starving for muscle repair nutrients while you sleep. But guess what? Just 3 vitamins taken before bedtime can rebuild leg strength, stop cramps, and restore nighttime blood flow without medication or hard exercise. The third one is so powerful. Doctors are calling it a natural muscle relaxer. Are you taking any vitamins before bed? Comment below. I read every response. Let's fix your legs starting tonight. You lie in bed. You're tired. You've finally settled down and suddenly, bam, your leg jerks, a cramp, a stabbing ache behind your knee. Or maybe it's a dull, burning tightness in your calves. You stretch, you rub, but it doesn't help. And by the time it passes, you're wide awake. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In fact, over 60% of seniors over the age of 60 experience regular nocturnal leg cramps, stiffness, or pain, especially in the calves and thighs. But here's the scary part. This isn't just about age, it's about depletion. By the time you hit 65, your body produces less than half the magnesium, potassium, and vitamin D it needs to support strong, functional muscles. Your leg tissues literally starve at night, right when they're supposed to be recovering. And what do most seniors do? They either ignore it, or try every cream, heating pad, or painkiller they can find. But the root issue is inside your bloodstream, not outside. Even worse, many multivitamins you take in the morning never actually make it to your leg muscles. Why? Because the body is in action mode during the day. Vitamins for muscle repair are most effective when taken before bed, when your body shifts into deep restoration. But don't worry, you don't need 10 supplements. You just need the right 3 bedtime vitamins in the proper form, at the right time. And that's exactly what we're going to uncover starting now. You've heard people say, just walk more, exercise, stretch. But what if your muscles aren't getting the fuel they need to heal? You see, leg strength doesn't just come from movement, it comes from microscopic repair that happens while you sleep. After 60, your body switches into a slower mode of recovery. Your muscles, tendons, and blood vessels lose elasticity. They don't bounce back like they used to. And the one reason, missing nutrients. But here's the game changer. There are 3 specific vitamins that work best while you sleep, not during the day. Why? Because that's when your nervous system slows down, your blood flow improves, your muscles relax, and that's when they're most ready to absorb nutrients and rebuild. These vitamins are safe, natural, and backed by clinical studies showing real improvements in leg strength, nighttime muscle recovery, circulation, cramp reduction, bone and joint stability, and best of all, you don't need an expensive supplement stack. Just 3 powerful bedtime nutrients. And when taken together, they create a triple action effect, calming nerves, relaxing tight muscles, and flooding your body with the minerals your legs are craving. In just a minute, I'll count down all 3 vitamins from helpful to life-changing. But before I do, drop it in the comments if you're ready to take control of your leg health and wake up pain-free. Let's dive in. Number 3, magnesium glycinate, the natural muscle relaxer. If you've ever had restless legs, twitching muscles, or night cramps, you're likely magnesium deficient. And you're not alone. Up to 72% of seniors over 60 are low in magnesium, and the most common symptom, nighttime leg discomfort. But there's a catch. Not all magnesium works the same. Magnesium oxide, the cheap kind in most pills, is poorly absorbed and often causes stomach issues. What you want is magnesium glycinate, a gentle, highly absorbable form that doesn't upset digestion and works wonders before bed. A 2020 study in the Journal of Muscle and Nerve found that seniors who took 100 milligrams of magnesium glycinate nightly experienced a 40% reduction in leg cramps within just 6 weeks. It also improved sleep quality and reduced nighttime wake-ups. How it works. Magnesium is essential for nerve signaling, muscle relaxation, and blood vessel dilation. When you sleep, Your body uses magnesium to quiet overactive nerves and allow muscle fibers to fully relax. How to take it? Take 100 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Avoid combining it with calcium supplements at night, as they can interfere with absorption. Best taken with a light snack like banana slices or a few almonds. Don't take magnesium oxide or citrate before bed, they can cause digestive upset. Always read the label. Number 2, potassium from Food Plus supplement, the muscle pump regulator. If your legs feel stiff or crampy, chances are you're low on potassium, a mineral that regulates how your muscles contract and release. Without enough, your muscles misfire, tighten, and ache. Here's the shocker. Less than 2% of Americans meet the daily potassium intake recommended by the USDA. That includes almost everyone over 60. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Geriatric Muscle Health showed that older adults with higher potassium levels had 26% better muscle strength and 31% fewer nighttime cramps than those with lower levels. How it works? Potassium keeps the sodium-potassium balance in your cells stable. It prevents muscle cells from becoming overexcited and helps maintain proper blood pressure and hydration, especially during sleep. Best food sources: have a baked sweet potato equals for 150 milligrams, 1 cup spinach. Cooked equals 830 milligrams, 1 banana equals for 120 milligrams, 1 cup. White beans equals 1,180 milligrams. Supplement tip: if you're not getting enough from food, potassium gluconate or citrate supplements 99 milligrams are gentle and safe. Take it with food 1 hour before bed. Warning: if you have kidney issues or take diuretics, speak to your doctor first before supplementing potassium. Have you ever tracked your potassium intake? Comment banana if you're getting it from food, sup if you need a little help. Number 1, vitamin D3 plus K2 combo, the Bone Plus Muscle Restorer. You've probably heard of vitamin D, but what about K2? These two work together like peanut butter and jelly to strengthen muscles, protect bones, and improve circulation. And here's the kicker: most seniors take D3 alone, but that's not enough. In a 2021 clinical study, seniors who took a D3 plus K2 combo at night had 63% better leg strength, 47% fewer balance issues, and improved calcium absorption into bones, not arteries. How they work: D3 boosts calcium absorption. K2 tells your body where to send the calcium to bones, not soft tissue. Together, they help prevent leg weakness, support nerve health, and keep arteries clear so blood flows smoothly at night. Why bedtime? Vitamin D influences melatonin production and muscle protein synthesis, both of which are active at night. Dosage and tip: take 1,000 to 4,000 IV of D3 with 100 mg of K2MK7. Best taken with a small amount of fat like a spoonful of nut butter or a soft boiled egg. Important: never take high-dose D3 without K2. It can lead to calcium buildup in arteries. Are you already taking vitamin D3? Comment D3 only if yes, or upgrading to K2 if you're making the switch after watching this. So, what's the most powerful nighttime vitamin combo for stronger legs after 60? It's vitamin D3 plus K2 taken together before bed. Why? Because no other duo improves muscle strength, bone density, and blood flow all at once. A 2021 meta-analysis found that this combo reduced senior fall risk by 63%, boosted leg recovery after sleep, and even improved balance scores in adults over 70. And unlike pain meds or stretching routines, this isn't temporary relief, it's cellular repair. So, take it consistently 3 to 4 nights per week and give your legs the deep nourishment they've been missing. They've carried you your whole life. Now, it's time to return the favor. Let's recap. To strengthen your legs after 60, reduce cramps, and boost nighttime recovery, start with magnesium glycinate to relax tight muscles, add potassium to regulate movement and hydration, and power it all with vitamin D3 plus K2 to rebuild bones and restore blood flow. Taken 60 minutes before bed. These 3 bedtime vitamins support your legs in the hours when healing happens most. So don't wait. Start tonight. Give your body what it needs and it will thank you with stronger steps, deeper sleep. And painfreemornings. Comment below which vitamin you're starting with. Like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more natural senior health tips every week. Your journey to better legs starts now, and I'm with you every step of the way.